Welcome to the Design Info, where creativity meets perfection. Learn powerful design techniques, explore the best design software, and turn your ideas into reality. This is the Design Info. Between now and the few minutes, you will be on your way to become a Photoshop master. Mastering it not happen that quick, but yes, your basics will become very strong. When you first open Photoshop, you see the home screen. It shows some suggestions. Sometimes it is not showing for me. Hide it. The home screen shows the list of recent files that you have worked on. So even if you drag and drop the image or document and just close it, it will show up in the home screen. For simplicity, we are only working with the home tab, which will be used 99% of the time. Now when you open any image in Photoshop or create a brand new document, you see a complete different screen. This is the screen where you create your masterpiece. This is the screen where you work. That's why this is called workspace. So when you first open Photoshop, you see the home screen. Just remember, cake tastes perfect. In other words, C for canvas, T for tools, and P for pilots. So the Photoshop workspace contains of canvas, tools, and pilots. Imagine an artist who paints on canvas. He has tools like brush tool, pencil, and eraser, right? He has the palette where he mixes the color, and then finally he has the canvas where he creates his masterpiece. Similar in Photoshop, you have your brush tool and many other tools. So, Adobe Photoshop is very powerful image editing and graphic designing software used in photography designing and digital artists worldwide. It allows users to edit photos, create digital work, digital post, thumbnails, logo, and much more things. Photoshop provides tools like brush, selection layers, filter, and text edits for the professional creative works. It is widely used in industries like photography, advertisement, web design, animations, and social media content creation. Thank you for watching the Design Info. Please like, share, and subscribe for the more design tips and tutorials.